guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful Valentine's makeup look for you guys. I have some pink eyeshadow, pink lips. I really like this look, and if you want to know how I have achieved this beautiful makeup look, just keep on watching. So first we're gonna start with primer. I'm gonna be using the Professional from Benefit. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm gonna be using this Ultra HD foundation from Makeup Forever, and it's the first time that I use it. And I'm gonna be taking this brush to blend the foundation. So since we're doing our Valentine's look, I think that we need more coverage, so I'm gonna be grabbing some more foundation and I'm gonna blend it out again. Now for contour, I'm gonna be taking my Shading Light contour palette and I'll be taking the middle shade. Now I'm just gonna start blending with my brush. Now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. I'm gonna be using the Huda bronzer from Benefit. Now to set my makeup, I'm gonna be using this loose powder from L'Oreal. Now I'm gonna be applying a little bit of blush. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows, and today I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take this shade and put it all over my lid. This is just gonna be the base. Now I'm gonna be taking this shade and putting it on the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking the shade Ember and I'm gonna be applying it on the crease as well. Now I'm gonna be taking this shade and I'm gonna be applying it on the outer corner. And now for the lid, I'm gonna be taking the shade Blood Moon. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking a little bit of this brown shade and I'm gonna be putting it also on the outer corner. Okay, now for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna be taking the same colors that I put on the crease and I'm just gonna be applying it down here. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna be taking the Master Chrome from Maybelline, and as you can see, I dropped it, but it still works. So I'm gonna be applying that on the inner corner and also as my highlighter. Now I'm gonna apply some black liner to my waterline. Now I'm gonna do my wing using this e.l.f. eyeliner, and I'm also gonna be applying some false lashes. These ones are from Kiss. These are the 05 lashes. Okay, so I'm back. I have my eyeliner and I have my lashes on. And for mascara, I use this one from L'Oreal. This is the Voluminous Butterfly Intensa mascara, and it's looking really, really good. Okay, now for lips, I'm gonna be using this lip crayon from L'Oreal in the shade 201. Okay, and now we're gonna set the makeup. I'm gonna be using this Kat Von D Locket Setting Mist. Okay guys, so here is the makeup all done and I am in love with it. It's super pink. If you don't like the lips, because I know that it's a little bit too much, you can just add a nude color or something like a brown, just something more neutral, but I really like it. And yeah, this is our Valentine's makeup look. So okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!